Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist. So we're just back on this Solitude, just to show you that it's an install video. I ended up having to stop the other video I was doing short so I could help the guys. This is a 6 of 2021 Solitude, and so we just got done removing the MoRide pin box and we just put them on this Gen Y. So just come up here to give you a better look at it. As you can see here, my guys marked all the bolts so they know if there's any movement between the bolts and the washers. It's got the grade 8 bolts, and the normal bolts that were up there were grade 5, and then also the grade 8 chain that they put on there as well. And then this is the Gen Y Executive hitch. You can see how it looks here. This is a torque flex, basically like the axles that are torque flex axles. So anyways, it's all put in, installed now. It's one heavy little sucker, I tell you that much. And the customer went ahead to, these come with a 5-year warranty, but you can opt to pay an additional $100 and get a lifetime warranty on it. So we would always recommend, like, hey, you should do that. So he did that as well. But it takes about 1,000 miles, we hear, for it to fully break in. And so we'll look forward to hearing feedback from the customers and anybody else that's had them. We've put in a number of these now. I think we have 1 or 2 more coming for 2 other units that are here on the lot. And this is letting them free up to get away from the having a hitch in the back of the truck. And then also, if you haven't seen Gen Y's videos, or even like some of the Brinkley videos where they did all the testing, where they show you how much dampening and what it reduces it to the trailer or the stress. So if you're worried about the whole front end stuff or the lag bolt issues or whatever, this is going to strongly help that. Also at the bed of the truck, it's going to dampen it. So anyways, stay tuned for more and we will get back to you. Like I said, here's another version over here that's on that reflection as well. So they're quite popular, and I don't remember what the prices are offhand. It's all on their site, so you can see all that. It's all kind of standard anywhere you go. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks again so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist.